Mutumia wa munini wa President Pastor Dorcas Rigathi ni ahingurite kambi na ceceni ya kuruga mitugo ya Miritini kaunti-ini ya Mombasa iria iratanywo guteithia andu ethi aria moreire unyui-ini wa njohi na uhuthiri wa dawa cia kurebia tauni-ini ya Mombasa. Pastor Dorcas oritie aikari a Miritini na tauni ya Mombasa yothe manyite itemi guteithia gucenjia mithiire ya anake acio niguo macokererie miturire yao na ihenya. Hindi ya kuhingura ceceni iyo urugamiriri wa ngwataniro ya KPA ni uraheanire ciringi milioni 1 cia guteithia tabarira-ini iria Pastor Dorcas aruguritie cia kuhonokia anake kuuma unyui-ini wa njohi.
We must help them to break free from the chains and the bondage and make deliberate actions so that we can get them on course. Nasema ni lazima sasa tuende na tufanye mambo juhudi zote kuona mumerudishiwa dignity yenu. Kwa sababu mimi nikiangalia naona watu wenye afya, naona kesho yenu, naona kesho ya watoto wetu. We do this in full realization of a great impression that we should leave no one behind. We cannot afford as a people to leave anyone out of the production structure and systems.
We'll continue working with you in all aspects of rehabilitation and reintegration. Our plan going forward is that as we rehabilitate these people, we also impart skills, and that is why we are coming up with our workshops just behind this big building, so that when these people are rehabilitated, they can go back to the community and be able to do one or two things for themselves without depending.